Hello everyone, I am the news reporter Shai with this volcano news, and you are watching Beyond News 25 YouTube channel. Earthquake information number 1, date and time, August 12, 2021, 1:46 a.m. Magnitude equals 7. 3 depth equals 069 kilometers. Location equals 06.46 n, 126. 65 e. 019 km and 14 degrees east of city of Mati, Davao Oriental. Reported intensities: Intensity V, General Santos City. Intensity 4, Coronadal City, Tampican, South Cotabato. Instrumental intensities: Intensity 4, General Santos City, South Cotabato, Kiamasarangani. Intensity 3, San Francisco, Southern Leyte, Abuyog Leyte, Kidapawan City, Cotabato, Hinunangan, Southern Leyte. Intensity 2, St. Bernard, Southern Leyte, Dulag, Leyte, Surigao City, Surigao del Norte, Palo, Leyte. Intensity I, Alongalang, Carigara, Leyte. Main data source Dust Philvox. For more earthquake and tsunami news, subscribe to Beyond News 25 YouTube channel for notifications. News